And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with natural spin turn, overturned version. Notice ladies brush here. We continue with turning lock to right to promenade position. From promenade position we continue with running weave from promenade position, 1 bar. We continue with progressive chasse, which is originally quick step figure, and also running cross chasse to promenade position. Then we dance open natural turn, and then outside spin. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and start with preparation. Then we move diagonally to bull with first bar of natural spin turn. We continue down line of dance with second bar. And in same direction, turning lock to right to promenade position. Now we move down new line of dance and then diagonally to center with running weave from promenade position. Progressive chasse diagonally to center. Then running cross chasse from promenade position, moving diagonally to wall in same direction. We start open natural turn and then outside spin, down line of dance, and finish ready to move diagonally to wall in new line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.